getting the upper hand.
What kind of stick is that?
I don't know, looks like a shortened kendo stick.
Yeah.
Oh, that had a nasty spill.
Yeah, about did. Michaels catches him to get the upper hand.
You asked me as somebody who's been in a fans bring the weapons match, what's the best strategy? Swing hard and swing often and don't stop.
Yeah, absolutely. This is kind of was supposed to happen at Alpha 3 last time out, but
oh my God! Brandon Williams using himself as a cannonball.
But that match never started because Stephen Michaels attacked Brandon Williams. Ended up being a no contest. Is that Cheese Whiz?
I'm not sure. Oh, I think it was whipped cream.
Oh, whipped cream. That's an odd weapon.
I'm sure it sucks to get in the eyes. Aerosol or something.
Maybe he's trying to give diabetes. I don't know.
Oh God, let's play the long game, the long con. We got, is that just a stick?
It's one of those plastic bats.
Well, it had something attached to it.
Regardless, it doesn't feel good.
No.
Because that's one of them skinny ones, not the big fat wiffle ball bat. An ironing board?
Oh yeah! Good God!
It's almost a great landing by that ironing board.
It really was. Stephen Michaels doesn't know what's hitting him right now. Brandon Williams on the attack. Got an umbrella, a pan. I want to say that's a hacksaw, but I could be wrong.
A teddy? What the hell? It is almost Valentine's, so a teddy bear might be fitting.
Pizza pan, a dartboard. Got all kinds of plunder and madness.
Yeah, the New South crowd really came through tonight with these weapons.
They're bloodthirsty. A ladder? Good God.
How do you sneak that in?
Oh, ladder to the gut of Stephen Michaels. It looks like Brandon Williams is just enjoying this.
Yeah, he's got a bit of an evil grin on his face, something we don't normally see for Brandon Williams. Oh! Bullseye!
I don't know if I've ever seen a dartboard used in a wrestling match.
Oh, Michaels laid across that ladder.
Brandon Williams.
Get a running start.
Oh, catches a boot. That might have been below the belt. Oh, meets the ladder.
Might be a good time to give him that teddy bear.
Or somebody brought an ice pack.
Michaels favoring that right shoulder.
He's been through a lot already.
Yeah. Only a few minutes into this match. A lot of bad blood between these two. It's been going on for months here at New South.
Yeah. Kick right to the ribs. Is that a kick out of one?
Yeah, Michaels can't move that right arm at all. Regardless, he's still in control of this match.
If you're down an arm, my suggestion is pick things up and start swinging.
Yeah.
Even the odds any way you can. Right to the midsection.
That's a good double at least.
Knee to the face.
Caught Brandon in the nose with that knee.
I wonder how much that took out of the arm of Stephen Michaels.
Yeah.
That side suplex. And this crowd behind Brandon Williams. Knee to the gut. Oh. Takedown. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, Michaels counters.
I can't say I expected to see any sort of wrestling between these two.
No, not with the
history of the bad blood. Oh my God.
Another kick to the face.
Stephen Michaels did not come to play around. Count of two.
Got that umbrella.
Stephen, have you ever been hit by an umbrella?
I'm sure I have, but I've blacked it out, so I'm going to say no.
Surprisingly, it sucks a lot. Snap suplex.
He's favoring that arm, but you wouldn't know it by some of the maneuvers he's attempting.
I'm curious as to what that object with the red handle is.
Yeah, there's stuff.
Oh, knee to the back of the head.
We got weapons littered on the floor, trying to make some of them out.
I see some sort of bucket on the floor over here. There's no telling what's in front of this front row in front of us. Yeah, the New South crowd came out and they wanted some blood tonight.
These are your type of people.
Truly. Fisherman suplex.
Held on.
Count of 2.
Brandon.
Oh my God!
With that bad arm.
I mean, if you're going to swing it, you might as well put everything into it because you're going to feel it and it's going to take your arm completely out of this game.
I don't know if he's got a separated shoulder and he was trying to pop it back in.
Or if he was just trying to pop Brandon Williams out. Oh, kick to the face. He's loving those kicks to the face. Rearranging the face of Brandon Williams.
Yeah, neither one of his legs are bothering him tonight.
Just taunting the crowd.
Oh, Fisherman's carry. Big drop.
Yeah, Fireman's carry into a Death Valley driver. Pulls him up.
Oh. He had him dead to rights, basically.
Said he's not done.
I see a lot more weapons in the crowd. Michael just wants everybody to get their money's worth.
Well, he's taking his belt off. This isn't a strap match, but it's perfectly legal.
Yep.
Oh my God!
I have been hit with one of those before.
Yeah, me too, and it's not fun. Thank you, Matt Tremont.
Oh. Mine was not from a wrestler, but from being a punk-ass kid earlier.
Fair.
My younger days.
Vicious German suplex.
Yeah, Brandon Williams is rocked. Going for a second. Oh, Williams holding on.
Club to the back.
There's 2.
Oh, that was a high landing for Brandon Williams, and that's what you don't want to see.
Basically, he's been one-handed all for the majority of this match.
Brandon Williams holding on for dear life. Perfectly legal.
Smart on the part of Williams.
It's as legal as any of those objects in the ring or outside.
Oh, he's got the belt now.
Return the favor. Just whipping away at Stephen Michaels. 2 for 2.
Williams wants him back up. He's going to go get him himself.
Fireman's carry.
What's he got here?
Oh, gutbuster!
Oh, Williams returns the favor and pulls Michaels up at 2.
Nice turning of the table.
He's not finished either. Williams with the teddy bear.
What's he doing? What?
Oh, there's something. No.
Oh my God! That's a lot of thumbtacks. Things have just picked up in a huge way. Oh, Stephen Michaels blocks the suplex attempt. Oh, this is not a seesaw you want to see.
No. Oh, big knees. Oh.
Oh, he did everything he could to avoid those tacks.
Yeah.
I can't say I blame him.
No, not at all. Oh, Williams picks him up, puts him on the top rope. This could be an ugly fall for one of these two.
Or both.
Yeah. Michael's trying to club his way out. Both trying. Oh, no.
Williams slips through. Looking for that power bomb. Oh! Power bomb on those thumbtacks.
Williams is just rolling in him at this point. Oh, God is right. Michaels with that stick.
Oh, no!
Oh, right to the head.
Yeah, the head and the shoulder, like the trap and neck region. Good God.
Oh, he's got it locked in as a choke.
No way. Those thumbtacks just littered into the arm and the back of Brandon Williams.
Oh.
Oh, my God.
He's trying to choke him out. That's it. Ref is calling for it.
Stephen Michaels picks up the victory via referee stoppage.